myself a chocolate chip cookie, enjoying the spoiler. Dude, YouTube, you already know who it is. It is the only Carter back with another POV drive today. And in this video, we're about to go to Starbucks, about to get some morning coffee, and then we're about to go hit the air pump, and then we're probably about to go chill today. Probably go watch Game 7, Spurs and OKC. You already know who's gonna win today. It's gonna be the Spurs, you know what I'm saying, chat? But anyways, this is day 19 of consistent uploads with the only Carter back again, you know what I'm saying, chat? But yeah, this is day 2 with the spoiler. I do gotta wash the spoiler. I'm gonna probably wait a couple days so it's marinated on the car, you know what I'm saying, chat? But hey, we got it. We got the dream. Got the dream. This is a starter car, you know what I'm saying? We haven't got to the main car. If you guys are new here, you don't know what I do, go watch my other videos. Make sure you guys do subscribe. It does take 10 seconds to subscribe. It will make my day and it will make your day if you stay with the Twizzy channel with the only Carter man. Let's start this video. Alright, let's get the show started, chat. Where should I go to? I'm gonna just go to Starbucks first before I go fill up. It's good to be back, chat. It's good to be back. We are officially in summer, man. So peep chat, I'm about to go to Starbucks. You already know how it is that morning breakfast. I'm gonna get a strawberry frappe with an ice water, and then probably get myself a grilled cheese to start the morning. I bet you it's gonna be like $13.50 or something. I'm gonna probably work today just for like $40 so I can get to a full tank. I know that sounds broke, but I'm gonna just do it anyways. I'm probably work from maybe 1 o'clock to 5. Yeah, just 4 hours, that's all I need. Do the 4 hours, chat. Probably go back home, get myself food. Probably go on, do some more applications. What else? I could probably, I don't know. Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday to y'all. Yo, I'm starting to realize that life is genuinely a simulation. I don't know if you guys are really that tapped into your knowledge or not, but I'm starting to realize that these days are like a simulation. I'm not gonna lie, the earth is flat. Y'all can get mad, y'all can get surprised. I'm dead serious. The earth is so flat. Like, you guys ever watch movies where they try getting out of space and like there's a big dome around the earth? I genuinely think like that, bro. There's no way. We've never been to space, chat, by the way. If y'all think like that, I'm gonna pray for you guys, seriously. Excited to get this POV out for y'all, chat. You know what I'm saying? We're still at 2,088 subscribers. Subscriber count slowed down for a bit, but it's cool. We're gonna get it back up there. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. They always doing some type of construction. Oh, it's about to be a struggle. Oh, and we did it. Perfect. I'm thinking for my next 2 cars, chat, either we go Cadillac Blackwing or do we come BMW M5? Those are the 2 I've been thinking about lately. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not letting this guy in. It's one. Like, why all that clutter? I don't understand. Honest debate, who winning tonight? OKC don't deserve it, but let's see. Let's see if the refs are gonna meet eat. Instead of a grilled cheese, chow, we got a chocolate chip cookie. I'm botting out right now. Bad. Just woke up. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Here's some water. Let me go grab you that cookie.
All right, thank you. I tell you, look how beautiful that is. Mm.
Have a good one.
All right. Anyways, chat. Let's get it on. Hey, hey, hey. Yep, and we go. I'm gonna see if this Conrad's has an air pump. The strawberry frappe is good. Buddy has a gap cam on a Nissan. This is a Conrad's. This is Goodyear. Honestly, I do not think they have it. Yeah, I don't think they have it here. That's sweet. I don't know what that is though. self-driving right here, man. It's easy. You don't need a Tesla. All you need is your knee, and you're straight. Got myself a chocolate chip cookie, enjoying the spoiler. Chat, we really did it, man. Seriously. To be honest, chat, all it does, it takes time. Alright, let's go. Honestly, I'll just do that when I leave out. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys enjoyed this drive, if you guys enjoyed this video with the Only Carter, why don't you stop down in the comments and put something nice? If not, make sure you guys do subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great Saturday, have a great weekend, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.